Hello! Today we're going to be looking at WordPress, and I'm in a staging environment for the blog Arts and Bricks, and we're going to be removing the Beaver Builder plugin. So this is a builder that is touted as working with most themes, and it's just something that I don't need, that's taking up more space than I want it to, and I just want to use the standard editor on all pages. So I'm here in the knowledge base for WordPress Beaver Builder, and basically it has some instructions that are the simple ones and advanced. And the simple ones are going to keep your layout settings in your database. So if you went to PHPMyAdmin, you could see all of your database for your WordPress site, and you would see that for each post there are actual rows that have content using these labels. So we are going to use these keys and delete that from our database after we uninstall the plugin. So the first instructions: go to your WordPress admin panel, you're going to go to Settings, Beaver Builder, and click Uninstall. So one of the things that I wanted to show, and I was trying to have it load, but it wasn't working, is, for example, we're going to go to a page that's using Beaver Builder, and we're going to see what happens once that's deleted. So this is a layout that's set up with Beaver Builder, but we could easily make this layout without it. And we know that it's that way because if I click on Edit Page, it will show me the option to use Beaver Builder. So launch Beaver Builder, it's currently active for this page, or to use the standard editor. All right, so we're going to come into our dashboard. And we're going to go into just what this says, Settings, Beaver Builder, and then we're going to uninstall. Okay, so we have Settings, Beaver Builder. So we could always export our settings just in case we'd want to come back. There we go. All right, so we are on Tools. We're sliding all the way down to the bottom. And again, it is noting that this does not delete the post data. So we're going to click Uninstall. And it is thinking and uninstalling. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at that I added this plugin that was recommended. It's really old and outdated, but I think it's going to work. Post Meta Manager. And we are going to get to it through Tools, Post Meta Manager. And our instructions are: enter the following keys one by one in the Delete Meta Keys section. So I'm going to copy, and here's the meta key name. Here's the meta key name, delete meta keys, and I'm going to say delete keys. And I am going to do this one by one for each of the four. All right, so let's see what happens to a page that had been using Beaver Builder. And really not too much, right? It looks like I'm just missing the separators that I had, if I come in to edit the page, we can say keep as HTML. Let's preview it. Maybe, what do we want to say? Convert to blocks. There we go. Oh, beautiful. It converted it right into our standard editor. And then the only things that I feel like it didn't add was adding a separator. Which we can easily bring in. All right, we're going to update. Say view page. There we go. All right, so we successfully followed the instructions to uninstall Beaver Builder, delete our post meta values, and convert whatever was left into blocks. All right, so I hope this helps you if you are also working to remove Beaver Builder from your WordPress site.